hopefully this angle's not too terrible, but quick unboxing and follow-up video, because it's actually funny that there's a comment. If I can find it, I'll screenshot it and put it on and overlay it on the video. But I always get comments like, oh, those shoes are fake, blah, 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 fake, fake, fake. The thing about me, I don't care if somebody wears fake stuff, but I won't, because I actually like wearing things, and for the most part, people won't find a good vendor, so you really won't be able to wear your thing much, because it'll get messed up. And they definitely did not pack this, but golly. So, as you guys can see right here, it says ID service order, it says boot, oh, that's just the product number. But yeah, AMQ Aftersales, AMQ Alexander McQueen. As you can see, picture of my Alexander McQueen boot here. Then here are the boots themselves. Oh, they did like, did they like wax them or something? But the top is really clean. But I don't remember if I included the part of the video, or I don't remember if I included that part in one of the videos, but these boots started to separate after a while, because I wear them for 12 to 18 hours per day at work. So I sent them in to Alexander McQueen because they're authentic and they fixed them. So although they didn't package them too great, they made it here in one piece. They seem to be fixed. They reattached the bottoms, and now they're waterproof again. Looks like they cleaned up the top and like waxed them and everything, so they look good. I miss these. It's been a long time since I was able to wear them because they needed to get repaired. And now that they're repaired, I can start wearing them to work again. But these are some of my favorite boots, even though I do like the what do you call it, the lace-up one, not the lace-up, the pull-on ones better, the socks. I just like the look of these because they're so tough. But yeah, for the people who are talking, oh, those aren't real, the man boots don't have the Alexander McQueen in the back in silver, you fucking idiot. There are many models and variations of these boots. Like, there's some of these that'll come with white laces or silver lace holes and white laces, and there's all kinds of different ones, and they're completely different. Like, they're a completely different shoe and model or style, whatever. Like, the detail is still like a black Alexander McQueen Tread Slick boot, but it's like black with silver lace holes, black with black lace holes, black with flat black, black with chrome black. Like, these ones are the chrome black ones. There's many versions of these, and if these were not authentic, Alexander McQueen Aftersales service would not fix them because they cannot touch an unauthentic product. So yeah, for the bumbo then they come into talk about them boots are fake, da 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 da. They don't this, that, and they go suck out this sour dirty stretch out mama. Idiot boy. Fuck you feel like. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Alexander McQueen Tread Slick boots are back, and I can continue to wear them to work and not wear the sock ones because, yeah, they just don't, they like us wearing boots with shoes with laces for whatever fucking reason. Thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.